Today, we're going to build a Star Destroyer using 8 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
First thing we're going to do is grab our 3x4 wedge plate with notches on the side there, and on top of there, on these last 2 studs, we're going to get a 2x2 plate and stick it right there. And then we've got this space here. On that space, we're going to get our 1x2 bracket piece and put it there to fill in the gap so it's nice and smooth on the bottom. And now it's also smooth on the top. Now, on this back part, on these back 2 studs, I'm going to get a 1x2 jumper plate and put that on the back of our Star Destroyer like this. And now on top of this 1x1 jumper plate, I'm going to get a 1x1 round brick with hole. Alright, very important you have that hole. Okay, so you put that here, and now you're going to see where that hole comes in handy. On that hole, I'm going to put this 1x2 plate and line it up with that little hole or notch or stud in the bottom of our plate like this. And now we kind of got the tower of our Star Destroyer. And the nice thing is this thing is so small that those 2 studs there act as the shield generators. And then on the back of our bracket plate, we're going to put our engines. And our engines, all we do is put some round 1x2 translucent blue plates, and we have a mini Star Destroyer ready to patrol a mini galaxy.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.